Howdy everybody. So today Eric and I are on a reconnaissance field trip. We're looking at a new shop. There's our dad. So our shop is getting small. We have 5 people now, and we're just thinking future expansion. You know, we're not ready yet, but we're exploring. We're ready to start exploring. So like, look at this place. So this is about 8,000 square feet, and then there is a bunch of office area in the front. I'll show you in a second. Air conditioning, which is huge. Windows, which is huge. We super duper miss windows in our shop. Like, look how far away he is. Hi, Eric. So yeah, it's a really sweet area. Windows are so nice. Eric was thinking he could build a mezzanine right here just so he can like look out the window while assembling knives. Love the air conditioning. What do you think?
It's awesome.
It's got a roll-up door where my dad's standing right now with loading dock, common area loading dock with the other buildings.
It's a little loud.
It's a little loud, yeah. Probably thin walls going that way.
Well, and the door, like,
yeah,
didn't help that much when I closed it.
Yeah. But Eric's like, I could drive a car in here.
Well, we have enough space, at least for the first year or two.
Yeah, until we just fill it up. Let's do a quick walk around. Show us, is this the ladies' bathroom? So, ladies' bathroom, huge men's bathroom. Little water heater there. And the men's bathroom, like, this whole building used to be one, like, 60,000 square foot. Here's that men's bathroom. Huge! So obviously it used to have lots of stalls and lots of sinks and everything, and then they're down to just 2, I believe. 3? Maybe 3 at the end. You could like partition this off and use it for something else completely, because that's a lot of wasted space. 600 volts at 200 amps, I think he said. See if that's open. Kitchen area. Pretty sweet. Windows. That's one office. I don't think it's available right now. This is huge though. Like, we don't need this, but maybe we'd use it for assembly, for quality control, for... I mean, it's only 2 offices. It's this big one, and then that one in the front, or maybe 2 in the front. Like, we do need some office areas. Aaron needs a place to edit quietly. This is a nice little office. Beautiful window. We just miss windows. I feel weird bringing it up so much.
I'll just be jealous of everybody that gets to work in here.
Yeah. Well, you can assemble inside, like in a room.
In a clean room, actually.
Yeah.
You can do all the dusty stuff and then come in and anodize and stuff.
Right. And like if we start getting into,
in the corner,
you know, flashlights with electronics, we'll need a relatively clean room environment to be assembling those.
And to anodize, I mean, having natural light to see the colors properly.
Yeah, it's...
I mean, that's kind of important.
That is pretty important. So, I mean, we don't need a reception area, we don't need a welcome thing because we don't have visitors, but...
Yeah, we got the door.
Yeah.
Keep that locked and come in the side.
So there's the front door right there.
Yeah, so it's shared, so that entrance goes to people upstairs.
And he said this room here was possibly available, or it could be not. I don't think we need that.
Yeah.
So yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so on first walkthrough, it felt enormous. On second walkthrough, you wrap your head around it, you kind of figure out where everything is. And while this is huge, think of how many machines we could fit in here.
You can find a good slab for each machine.
Yep. So what do you think, Pups?
It's huge, but it probably looks bigger than it is now. Than it
looks
will
big
be.
empty, right? Like
yeah,
houses
empty.
are like that too, right?
Just gotta have the vision.
Yeah,
The vision. Yeah. And we have that.
Yeah. So. Yeah, it's like legitimately a vault with. So the machine shop area, or whatever this area is something like 8,000 square feet, and then 3,000 of office. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, with the bathrooms and everything. It's pretty cool. It's not cheap. It's many, many, many times more expensive than our current shop, but gotta pay to play. The other beauty is it is super close to home.
Yeah. I left with 4 minutes, and I thought it was going to be late, and I was 2 minutes early.
Yeah, it took me 3.5 minutes to drive here and park my car and walk to the front door. And then I looked at my watch and it was 3.5. So that's tempting. We're 12 minutes at the other shop, which is, it's not bad, but it's
too far.
Yeah, when you have the option. It's a lot of tempting going on here. It's a very cool place. I definitely want to like probably grind the floors, polish them. Maybe they are painted, but they're not bad. It's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's our reconnaissance mission. It's been a lot of fun. I'm glad we did it because you need to wrap your head around what's out there, and we have a lot to think about. Thanks for watching. Bye.